To maintain your presentation, may be requested all our guests to please stand and walk on forward to stand. Family and guests are expected to show courtesy by refraining from leaving their seats in order to take pictures or by talking to their grandparents. We will also request all other guests to stay away in the processional area, the grandparents' seats, the stage area. We have official photographers who will take their children's photo during the procession and the distribution of diplomas.